What is seizures? Seizures is a manifestation of the body due to hyperexcitatory impulse from the brain. And that means that the brain becomes highly excited and it sends signals to different parts of the body, and those parts of the body manifest as seizures. They may move, they may become stiff, they may jerk. Sometimes the person may have even other kinds of seizures, including behavioral seizures, autonomic seizures, and even somatic. How do you know, or what is the commonly seen about seizures? When seizures occur, you see the patient jerking. The person is not in control of himself. What must you do when the person has seizure? Please don't panic. Turn the person to the side, preferably on the left hand side, and if possible, turn the mouth downwards, so that if the person vomits in that process, at least the vomitus will come out of the mouth instead of the person aspirating the vomitus. Because if the person aspirates it, meaning the vomitus has gone into the lung, the chances of that person dying becomes very high. Now, after the seizure, what must you do? It's not the time to say, oh, I want to treat myself, or let me browse it and see what to do. No, you are not the doctor. Rush straight to a doctor. Preferably, come and see a neurosurgeon, especially a first-time seizure is in an adult. Come and see a neurosurgeon, and we'll look into you, evaluate you, examine you appropriately, and determine what next should be done. Will you need to take drugs, or will you need surgery? Remember, seizure itself may not be the problem. The problem may be what is causing the seizure. So, when seizure calls, then you call a neurosurgeon. My name is neurosurgeon Dr. Mark O. I'm here to teach you about the brain and its spine. Always remember to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Until I see you next time, remain blessed and God bless you. Bye.